How you going today?
Hi mate, I'm very scared.
You're very 14,000 feet today. We're going to jump over 200 kilometres. Pull the parachute and let's hope it works. We all ready for it?
Yeah, come on.
Excellent. Okay, anything you want to say to friends and family back home?
Un saludo a todos mis amigos desde Australia, amigo.
Crazy one, we're going to see you up in the air real soon. Woo!
I'm very scared. Bueno amigos, we good out there? Let's go there. We're ready to jump. Have it falling.
The low rider, the low rider is a little higher.
Amigos, la hostia. No hay palabras.
What was the best part for you?
The beginning.
Remember the first jump?
Yeah.
Excellent work, dude. It's insane, I'm like, yeah! Whoa.